Today I'm doing a leaky top boost pipe. I bought this off eBay for just over 15 quid, I think it was. And I think these are loan, I'm 20 something. But all you need is a, well, all I'm going to need is 7mm and a flathead screwdriver. Remove the engine cover. I'll bodge mine with a Jubilee clip to stop it leaking before, which it's got other leaks, so I'll fix this one first while I've got the chance to. What happens is the tabs on these wear. Don't know if you can see it very good, which causes them to pop out. But what I'll need of these is the seal. I've got another seal in the house, but also what I've done to stop the other leak, the connector, the same as that was on here in plastic, I smashed it off, which left this ridge which the rubber pipe could grip onto. Same with down this end as well. All I used was a silicone hose, but the intercooler has still got the other type of bayonet connector on it, same as that. Okay, so I've now got the seal on there. I've had to take the other one off there because the pipe, obviously, so I'm just going to fit it now. And that's it pretty much. Next thing to do is just test it, see how it is. But I know I've got another boost leak anyway, so it's not going to be too much better. But I'll do a video when I test drive it and do the other one. Thanks for watching.